Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Everyday Wellness. I'm Jen Thompson, and I'm just going to keep bringing you really yummy recipes. It's the holiday season. We're going to be dressed up and going to some parties. But you know what? When you're eating junky food at parties, you might not feel so pretty anymore. So I'm trying to clean up all of these holiday dishes, including the pumpkin pie. This is going to be a very easy, yummy dessert that will also be portion controlled for you. So let's get started. Simple ingredients you probably have at home already. So I use 2/3 cup of flour. I'm currently using the Bihn's crushed wheat because it is so much healthier to do this than the processed flours. Okay, so this is in here first, and then I totally substituted out sugar in my house. There's no more white sugar in my house. I use coconut palm sugar. It really helps manage your blood sugars much better. So there's 3/4 cup of sugar going in there. And then I have pumpkin pie spice. It's 2 tablespoons, a 2 teaspoons, sorry, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and that's going in. So I have all my dry ingredients. I'm just gonna give it a little swirl to mix it up. All right. Now comes the wet ingredients. I have 15-ounce can of pumpkin, 100% pure pumpkin. Okay, watch your labels on this because it can be a little bit tricky at times. So if you're watching your labels, you won't get the junk in your pumpkin. Okay. Okay. That. 2 eggs. Let's crack those real fast. Makes this dish a little fluffy. How quick this can be. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Maybe I'm not strong enough. There we go. 1 teaspoon vanilla. All right, and now the recipe called for evaporated milk. I have a great substitute for evaporated milk. Actually, you can use any milk that you have in your house. Today I'm choosing to use hemp milk because I had it handy. You can also use almond milk. Any milk will work, and it's 3/4 cup going in there. And that's all there is. I'm going to mix this up, and I'm going to show you how I'm baking these. It's in a 350 oven. That's preheating currently. I'm going to put some elbow into this real quick. So this will be a cupcake with no crust, okay? And you notice I put some sugar in it, but it was the better alternative sugar, healthier sugar I call it. All right, so it's all mixed up. Now take a peek at my pan. I have these little silicone pans. These are fabulous because there won't be a mess after you're done. They'll pop right out of there. They'll actually be a little fluffy, kind of like eggs when if you would do egg cups in here. They pop up, you're gonna know they're done, and it's gonna be a very good portion size dessert for you. So let me put these in and meet me back when they're out of the oven. All right, the pumpkin cupcakes are out of the oven. They were just in there 20 minutes. They look very, very good into my little silicone pan. They do have to chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to really set them, but this is our final product. So excited because this is a crustless pumpkin and it tastes like pumpkin pie. It is amazing. So I'm gonna let my little girl Finley dig in and tell me what she thinks as I explain a little bit more about this milk that I used. When you're using almond milk or hemp milk, you're going to be getting a lot of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids. These are essential for our body. So consider using this in cooking to help you out with the nutritional component of your foods. So a dessert is actually becoming quite healthy for us instead of loading it down with all the junk sugars and things that we don't need in our diet. Did you try it? I want to thank you today for staying with us and watching our pumpkin cupcake recipe. It's going to be a great holiday season, and we're not packing on the pounds this year. Thank you so much, and I hope that you like this video, and also remember to subscribe, and I'm going to keep throwing some good recipes your way to keep us healthy and happy. Cheers.